Hey, what's up guys, TechBox here, and today we're unboxing Apple's latest beast, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Is this the ultimate smartphone upgrade? Or just another incremental step? Let's dive in and find out, and don't forget to smash that like button if you're hyped for this review. First up, the design. Apple's sticking with the premium titanium frame we saw last year, but the 16 Pro Max feels even sleeker thanks to slightly thinner bezels. This year's new desert titanium color? Absolutely stunning. It's also rocking the Ceramic Shield 3.0. Apple claims it's the toughest glass ever, and after a few accidental drops, I'm impressed. Plus, that action button is now customizable for shortcuts like launching your camera or Spotify. A+ for durability and style. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display is, wow, brighter than ever at 3000 nits peak brightness, perfect for sunny days. The promotion tech now hits a buttery 144Hz refresh rate, making gaming and scrolling smoother than my morning latte. And for binge watchers, the color accuracy and Dolby Vision support make Netflix feel like a theater. If you're coming from an older iPhone or Android, this screen alone might justify the upgrade. Under the hood, the A18 Pro Chip is a monster. I ran Genshin Impact on max settings, zero lag, and the new vapor chamber cooling kept it from overheating. Geekbench scores? 15% faster than the 15 Pro Max. But the real star is the AI upgrades. Siri feels smarter, and apps like Photoshop now handle AI edits locally. Oh, and storage starts at 256 GB with a 2 TB option for you 8K filmmakers out there. Battery life is where the 16 Pro Max shines. I got 14 hours of screen time thanks to the efficient A18 chip and a 5500 mAh battery. Even heavy users will make it through a day. And when you need juice, 45 watts wired charging hits 50% in 15 minutes. MagSafe is faster too, with stronger magnets for accessories. Apple's still skipping USB-C fast charging in the box. Let's talk cameras. The 48-megapixel main sensor now has a larger aperture for insane low-light shots. Check out this concert photo. Crisp details, zero noise. The 5x telephoto zoom, even at 10x, it's sharp. But the star is the new cinematic vision mode. It shoots 8K video with real-time depth adjustments. And for social media addicts, the front camera finally gets night mode. iOS 18 pairs perfectly with the 16 Pro Max. The new Smart Stack widgets auto-adjust based on your routine. And AI-powered photo search is a game-changer. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, AirPods, Apple Watch, the seamless handoff feels like magic. Just don't expect major changes if you're already on iOS 17. Now the elephant in the room, pricing. The 16 Pro Max starts at $1,199, ouch, but with carrier deals, you might snag it for free with a trade-in. If you're on a 13 or older, this is a worthy splurge, but 15 Pro Max users, maybe wait for the 17. So, should you buy the iPhone 16 Pro Max? If you want the best display, camera, and battery life in a phone, absolutely. It's a beast for creators, gamers, and power users. But if you're on a budget or have a 15 Pro Max, hold off. Drop a comment below. Will you upgrade? And hit subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.